Welcome back, everyone. Andrew here. Thanks for joining us today, where we're going to cover the 1% rule in real estate investing. Every week, we try to cover an important personal finance or investing topic. We cut out all the BS, the fluff that others like to spend 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes explaining, and we try to get it all done in 2 minutes or less for 2 Minute Tuesday. With that said, let's go ahead and drop 2 minutes on the clock and get to it. The 1% rule in real estate investing is that it's just a simple rule of thumb. It's a quick and dirty, easy back of the napkin calculation you can run to see if a property will make sense as a buy and hold deal. Now, I say buy and hold deal as the 1% rule is primarily used for longer term real estate investing, not flipping. This rule can also be known as the 2% rule. Now, here's how it works. You take the monthly rent that a property would generate and divide it by the purchase price. So as an example, if you came across a property for sale and it has a tenant that's paying $1,000 a month and the owner wanted to sell it for $100,000, you'd simply take that monthly rent and divide it by the purchase price. And if it meets or exceeds the 1% rule, you've got potentially a good property. Now, let's say if that same $100,000 property could get $2,000 a month in rent. You take the $2,000 monthly rent price, divide it by that purchase price of $100,000, and you get 2%. So in that case, the property would meet the 2% rule. Now, it's not the end-all be-all. It generally means if a property meets the 1 or 2% rule, it should work out as a long-term buy and hold property for you. But you still need to do due diligence on it. Now, here's the practicality behind it. It lets you quickly figure out if a property warrants more of your time. So if I had one of my realtors call me and they said, Andrew, we've got this property you're gonna love. The first thing I do is I ask the purchase price, and then I use a tool like Rent-A-Meter to see what similar properties in the area rent for, and then I compare those two. If it's close to or above the 1% rule, I will then spend more of my time digging in to see if that property is a good deal. I simply use it to screen potential deals that are coming to me. It's just a filter at the top of my deal pipeline. And folks, that's what the 1% rule in real estate investing is all about. So did I make it in the 2 minutes? All right. Now, if you want to see me using the 1% rule in action, I'll add a video at the end of me actually doing deal analysis on a property that I purchased and also share some of the tools that I use. Folks, thanks for joining us for another 2 Minute Tuesday. Let me know down below if you actually use the 1% rule, and drop a comment if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in an upcoming 2 Minute Tuesday. And as always, if you have any further questions, please let me know. Yeah, I'm still waiting. Have you clicked on this one? Or what about that one? You can go ahead and click on them. They're both good, I promise.